Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have my, I'm going to be using my arch top, so I wanted to show you. Okay, so this came from the new digital. It's from this page from the ephemera. I'm using this piece right here for my arched top piece, and I'm going to be making a double tuck. Okay, yes, a double tuck is usually using an envelope. Well, that's okay. We're going to go ahead and make an envelope out of this piece right here. Okay, so just like that, we have an envelope. Okay, you just go ahead and fill that up, and there you go. You have a cute little envelope. And so we're going to close this off. I'm going to close it off all the way around. A double tuck is one of the embellishments that I make because I usually over decorate it, and I need ideas to give me more journaling space. And so a double tuck does that for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down on here just like that. Okay, so I did go ahead and I did put glue on all three sides, and I'm going to go ahead and I am going to slice this pocket open. Oh, I'm over. I forgot I was set up for something else. Sorry about that. We'll come over here. Okay, then I'm going to open this, and I want to be able to use this. A little card or something can go in here. We're just going to use that. This is my 1-inch hole punch. It won't close. There we go. So I can put it away. Okay, so I have the base of my double tuck is ready. You can see I messed up on my cutting a little bit. That's okay. Okay, so now what's going to happen is this piece here will attach. So we'll attach glue, or put glue here and across the center, and then that can go onto a page. This is another tag from the, just to use it as an example here. Okay, so this can go onto a page, and it'll have glue here, and that will give you two places to add something. Okay, and then when you're going through the journal, this will be on the other side, and we'll have this opening here. So this is the base of my thing, is a double tuck, and now I need to go ahead and I'm going to add my other things to this. And so I think I want to do something over here. You know what, if I do just, okay, so this side actually doesn't have, you know what, let's go ahead and add like something here. So I have that I've cut out. Okay, so this is a piece that I went ahead and I like this little tab, so I cut around it and then I folded it over, and I think that'll make a cool little another pocket. Okay, because you know I love pockets and I cannot lie. So I need to cut that right there. So I'm going to fold it over, do the old fold it over and cut. Okay, so this one will count. If you're wondering what the heck I'm talking about here, I am doing elements or embellishments for my June Just Look Around Junk Journal Challenge. That is the challenge for June here on the Dear Julie Julie channel. You can check the description box and it will give you the link to the details video. You have the entire month to finish the challenge, and everyone that finishes gets invited to virtual internet party, and there are prizes for everyone that finishes. So so check that out. It explains the details. The video is really short. You can put it on double speed and it's even shorter. Okay, so check it out. We'd love to have you join us. So I have this piece left over from cutting out my ovals the other day, and you know, I really do like to make sure that I use all my scraps. Was not even straight. We're gonna go ahead and put that like that. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in there. Okay, now for this side, I have a postage stamp. Okay, and look at, they aren't they've been through, but they are not canceled. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and this reminds me, next month, July, we'll be doing a Just Junk journal challenge. Just junk. We'll be making a journal just using junk. And so I hope you'll come back and join us for that. I am going to add some ink to this. Ink counts as one of our enhancements. So postage stamp will be one thing. Ink will be another that we're using here. And I'm enjoying this digital. This is the new pink floral digital from DearJulieJulie, and it is available in the Etsy shop. And it's 53 pages. Some of the pages are repeats in size, but it's because of the way that I use digitals here on my channel. So I was thinking about using the back piece from the grip tape, or not grip tape, this is self-adhesive tape, and but I wanted more white. So I'm going to go ahead, and so that gives me an item. This gives me an item. So I'm kind of decorating over the, I think we'll do that. Over the little flap that will go onto a page. And I'll be putting all of my embellishments into the journals, because we're making 1 or 2 journals this time. So let's go ahead and we'll pull out, sure we will. Here it is. Okay, so this is the journal that I made at the VIP. Those that finished the April, they received this, the pink kit, as their free kit. Here's a double tuck here. Okay, so there's one. And so I'm looking for a place. There's the large border piece. Okay. Okay. So I might have to, that could go on there. Okay, I'm not going to put it here, but it could go here, and you'd have this flip out piece. Okay, so that would flip out, and you'd be able to put something in here and something here. And then on this side, this would be glued down. And so we could go ahead and put something up here and something down there. Okay, so that is my double tuck element. And my 3 things are the self-adhesive tape, the postage stamp, and ink. Okay, and I already have this ready in here that can be used. Oops. Well, there you go. I lost the rest. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.